Hello all, welcome to my channel The Games Miniature Toys. Today we are going to unbox this Volkswagen ID Buzz, which is HW green seed version. I like this color variant very much. So let us see how does it look inside the box. This is the car, how it looks from inside. Volkswagen symbol in the front. So they have not given any front grille like modified or highlighted front grille. Then wheels are plastic with metallic Mac wheels. Then uh, windows are like blackish, non-transparent and semi-transparent glasses. Then top is iron metallic with black paint, yellow body. Then tail light is also very detailedly designed with Volkswagen symbol. You can see HD Buzz written on the back door with the Volkswagen symbol. So very beautiful tail light design. Bottom is plastic, fully plastic with Hot Wheels logo in the chassis. So I like this car very much. Hope you too like this vehicle. If you like my unboxing video, do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next unboxing video. Until then, bye.